All right, so here's my garbage disposal. Check it out. I think it's not working. So let's try resetting it. All right, we're gonna come under here. And usually just underneath here, if you look, you're gonna see a reset button. And I just gotta find it. There it is, right there. I mean, it's plugged in, but it's definitely not working. So this looks like I've got to fix this freaking thing now. Oh, Jesus. It's always something. Looks like I might have to buy a new garbage disposal. Because I don't know. I don't think that's going to work. This is something that I use. Sometimes I can get down in there and twist that garbage disposal and get it unstuck. So I'm gonna try that. All right, so anyway, once in a while you can do it like this. Get it moving. There we go. So now let's see. I'm gonna press it and see what happens. See that? Fixed it. Somebody put something bad in there. I don't know what it is, but we got it fixed. And so get a pair of these Milwaukees and stick her in there and twist it until it frees itself. And then you might have to try to find out what the hell was in there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.